Welcome to New Cars Reviews today with another video. The 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 9 is Hyundai's flagship all-electric SUV, combining advanced technology, spacious design, and sustainable materials. Here's an overview of its exterior, interior, and performance features. Exterior design. The Ioniq 9 showcases Hyundai's aesthetic design philosophy, inspired by streamlined aerodynamic forms. Key features include dimensions, length, 5,060 millimeters. Width, 1,980 millimeters. Height, 1,790 millimeters. Wheelbase, 3,130 millimeters. Aerodynamic efficiency, a drag coefficient of 0.59, achieved through features like flush door handles and optional digital side mirrors. Lighting, full-width LED light bar-style DRLs and vertical combination taillights with parametric pixel elements. Wheel options, standard 19-inch wheels, with optional 20-inch and 21-inch wheels for a more muscular look. Color palette, 16 exterior colors, including new hues like Celadon Gray Matte, Ionosphere Green Pearl, and Cosmic Blue Pearl. Interior features. The Ioniq 9's cabin emphasizes luxury, comfort, and sustainability. Seating, available in 6 and 7-seat configurations. The second-row seats can swivel and recline, offering a lounge-like experience. Materials. Eco-friendly upholstery using recycled PET fabric, eco-processed leather, and wool fabric. Technology. Dual 12-inch curved displays for infotainment and digital instrument cluster. Audio. Standard 8-speaker sound system, with an optional 14-speaker Bose premium system. Charging ports. Multiple USB-C ports, with high output capabilities powered directly from the 110.3 kWh battery. Cargo space, 21.8 cubic feet with all seats up to 46.7 cubic feet with the third row folded. Performance and range. The Ioniq 9 offers 3 powertrain options, all equipped with a 110.3 kWh battery. Long range RWD, 214 horsepower, estimated range of 335 miles EPA. Long range AWD, 308 horsepower, estimated range of 335 miles. Performance AWD, 428 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.2 seconds. All models support ultra-fast charging, achieving 10 to 80% in just 24 minutes with a 350 kilowatts charger. Availability and pricing. The Ioniq 9 is set to debut in Korea and the United States in early 2025, with European and global launches to follow. Pricing is expected to start in the mid-$50,000 range and top out around $80,000.